Hello friends, welcome back to my new video and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Redmi mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to hide photos in Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to hide photos in Redmi mobile, so friends, now let's see how to hide photos in Redmi mobile one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel. So friends, you want to hide photos with privacy password, so friends you will have to turn on Redmi mobile privacy password. After turning privacy password, you can use photos private and video private setting, but when without password you can use photos hide setting. Tap on your Google file and scroll down here. Friends, first of all turn on your save folder. Already friends, I have save folder. So friends, when you will turn on your mobile Google file, so scroll down here, tap on your save folder, select your save folder password, pattern and pin. After turn save folder password, friends, select your photos. So friends, 1 2 4 photos I will select. 3 dot, click here, move to save folder. Friends, tap here. Friends, you can say enter your password, confirm your pin to move your photos, and you have pattern, so draw pattern. So friends, I will enter my password. As you can see, photo will hide. If you tap here save folder, enter your password, enter password, draw pattern. Next you can check your hide photos. So like that friends, you can use your photo hide setting in Redmi mobile. And friends, if you tap here friends, you can see your photo will delete permanently, and you want to unhide any photo. So friends, select your photos and right tap here 3 dot, move to save folder, your photo will unhide. Again you want to hide and unhide photos, so you can hide and unhide. Select your photos. After select friends, you can see move out to save folder, come back, photo will unhide. Again you can use these 4 photos on your device. And friends, you have your save folder, and if you clear data your Google file, friends, you can see this notification. If you tap here clear all data settings, so friends, you can see your save folder password will delete, favorite photos videos will delete in your mobile. First of all, remove your photos videos from your save folder, then you can clear data Google file. If you clear data, your photo video will delete, save folder password will delete. Okay friends, don't do clear data your Google file. First of all, remove your photos videos, then clear data. After clear data, again you will have to make your save folder, then you can save your photos videos in your save folder. Bye, thanks for watching the video guys.